Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you where to find the OBD part and VIN numbers on BMW G30. So let's get started from the OBD part. OBD part on the driver side below the steering wheel on the left side. There's no covers, just plug your diagnostic and do the diagnostic right there. Now the VIN numbers right here on the windscreen and in the engine bay on the chassis. So that's it. Thanks for watching.